I'm Neelam, your English trainer from Vibedu. So today our topic is text completion. This is another very important and very easy topic of GRE verbal portion. Easy. I know you must be laughing on me because it doesn't look like easy, but we have to make it easy. Okay, text completion are having three different patterns: single blanker, double blankers and triple blankers. Each of them we are going to see today. So take your paper and pen and be ready. Here I would like to add, if you have any confusion at any text completion question, you can write your question in comment box. I'll help you to solve it. Now note down, there are three main tricks to solve this question. First of all, you have to find keywords. Keywords which are indicating us what can be the answer. Second is find your own answer. So you just have to think like what word will be suitable for given blank and write it down and keep it aside. Third step is find the synonym from answers of your word. Let's understand what is text completion. So first of all, I would like to ask, what is text? Think and tell me. I mean, tell to yourself. Okay. Text is any written or printed content which is giving information. So anything, 2 lines or 2000 lines called text. Completion. What is completion? Yes, any word or anything helping towards completing the sentence or maybe towards finishing the work is called completion. So it is showing us that these types of questions are having some blanks, and from answers we have to complete those sentences. In simple words, we can say these questions are fill in the blanks, but not as easy as fill in the blanks. They are more logical and they are sometimes complicated, but it's okay. We'll have a look on it. First pattern is single blanker. You'll get 5 answer choices for one blank. So let's have a look on an example. Although it appeared to be dash after its stagnation and eventual cancellation in 1989, Doctor, who returned to BBC in 2005 to become the longest running science fiction show. Okay, so now our first step is to find keywords from the sentence. Stagnation and eventual cancellation. What is stagnation? Stagnation is to stuck somewhere, like not growing and not even coming down, so that is called stagnation. Eventual cancellation is to coming down slowly. Maybe again it can rise, but right now it's going down. And next is returned. So when can we return from somewhere? When can I come back to India? Yes, when I am not in India. So same thing, when the doctor was not in that profession or he was not running any show, then only he could come back and he could start it again. That means after the eventual cancellation, that show was completely off. So my own answer, step 2, is completely over or stopped working. So you will just have to write down here your own answer. Now our third step, we have to find synonyms or same answer but in different words. So let's have a look on examples. Moribund, accident, unflagging, defunct and settled. Now we'll go for elimination. So moribund, what is moribund? Anyone knows? So moribund is climax. Again, climax is eventual cancellation. Climax is not the end. Climax is coming to the end. So no, that cannot be the answer. Ascendant. Ascendant is rising in power. So again, that's completely opposite of my answer. Eliminate. Unflagging. Unflagging is tireless, very persistent. So no match. Defunct. Defunct is looking like any known word. Try. Yes, defunct is defunctioning, completely off. That can be the answer. Last, sated. Sated is completely satisfied. So, no. Yes, my answer is defunct and it's completely correct answer. So, did you find it easy? Let's have a look on pattern 2, double blanker. For 2 blanks, you will get 6 answers. You have to select for first blank from first box and you have to select answer for second blank from second box. Okay, when you are going to answer double blankers, first try to break the sentence, separate both blanks, try to understand both things, but you have very less time. Don't forget that. Okay, so we'll see an example and then I can explain you. Here it is. Richardson's dash handling of the dash scandal successfully prevented what seemed poised to become the spectacular dissipation of his coalition. Okay, here 2 blanks are there and you can break them. Now, whichever you find easy, you can write it down first. Okay, Richardson's dash handling to scandal, and it seems like he just handled it so well because he is feeling like he prevented some very big problem. So yes, when we feel like we have prevented from some huge problem, when we think we are really smart, our handling of the case is smart. So my answer for first blank is smart. Now let's go to blank second. The dash scandal successfully prevented. Now when I try to prevent something, that means I am feeling like that is bad. Something is going to be happen what is not worth. So yes, my answer for second blank is worthless or maybe bad. Let's have a look on answers. From first box for first blank. Penitent, adroit and heterogeneous. What is penitent? Penitent is a person who is seeking for forgiveness. So, penitent handling, no. Adroit. Adroit is skillful, very smart. This can be the answer. Let's have a look on third option also. Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous is exact opposite what should be done. So, I don't think answer is heterogeneous. I think adroit is perfect match of smart. So yes, Richardson's adroit handling of second blank. Fretful. Fretful is something again not good, bad. Looming. Sorry, I forgot to tell. Fretful is looking like my answer, bad or wrong. This can be the answer, but let's have a look on other options too. Looming. Looming is something looking bigger than our actual thing or maybe problem. When we think of problems, they are like really big in our mind than their actual size. So, okay, we can just keep it as an option. Ecumenical. Ecumenical is which is affecting everyone or maybe no, ecumenical is not the answer. Why I told to have looming as an option? Because our keyword is seemed poised to be like it was looking like something wrong, something bad will happen. But maybe if he wouldn't have handled it adroitly, skillfully, then also that wouldn't have happened. It was just in his mind that something bad is going to be happen. It was like looking huge. So yes, he is only feeling that he handled it smartly, but maybe that thing was not that bad as it is in his mind. So I think looming is perfect answer because of our keywords. It seemed poised. So yes, adroit and looming, not fretful. Our third and last pattern is triple blanker. There is no rule that you have to answer blank first at the first and last at the last. No. Even if you find last blank is easier than first and second, you can approach that first. Only thing is you should know where to break and how to segregate blanks, and don't forget to find your own answer. Don't forget to write your own answer. That's the main trick to attempt text completion question. So let's have a look on pattern third. Here it is. The dash of monks and abbots in Eastern Christianity were typically of black cloth, indicating their spiritual indifferent to matters of this world, their commitment to a dash reality. In this regard, the contrast with the dash garments of Buddhists makes it striking. Okay, let's break the sentence. First is the dash of monks and abbots in Eastern Christianity were typically of black cloth. Simple. What can be black cloth? Dress. Exactly. Their wearing style. So our answer is dress. Write it down. Let's have a look on first box for answers of first blank. Vestiges, habiliments and paragons. Vestiges is no longer in the existence, so there is nothing to do with vestiges. Habiliments are characterized dress, like some occupation is wearing some kind of dress only, that is called habiliment. Yes, dress code is perfect answer, perfect synonym for habiliment. That can be the answer. Paragon. Paragon is someone is perfect example for that excellence, or exactly we can say someone is ideal example. So no, paragon cannot be. Yes, habiliments is perfect answer for first blank. Let's have a look on second. Indicating their spiritual indifference to matter of this world and their commitment to a dash reality. They are committed, they are like different, they are beyond reality. Yes, my answer is beyond. Now I have to find from this box. First is mundane. Mundane is very boring, something is going in the same way. No. Mundane reality? No. Dogmatic. Dogmatic is someone like strictly following, though they don't like to follow, but because of the pressure they are following is called dogmatic. I don't think even dogmatic is the answer. Transcendent? Yes, that is beyond. That's the answer. Let's have a look on third blank. In this regard, contrast with the dash garments of Buddhist monk is striking. Contrast of black cloth, habiliment. So what can be the contrast of black or white something? Colorful, or maybe very interesting to see. So my answer is colorful. Let's have a look on these answers. Iridescent. Iridescent is same, not subtle, colorful. Answer 2 is drab. Drab is boring, like very subtle. And last is flowing. Flowing is showing flow. So no. No drab, no flowing. My answer and our answer is iridescent. So these three are the answers: habiliments, transcendent and iridescent. So these were three patterns of text completion questions. I hope you understood what I was trying to explain. It's not that difficult if you give your full concentration and if you try to understand the sentence, and if you try to find your own answer, this thing will become very easy. Again, I would like to remind you, if you have any query regarding text completion, you can write down in comment box. I'll help you to solve that question. let's meet at our next session. It is reading comprehension. So don't forget to watch our next video and don't forget to subscribe our channel to be best in GRE. Bye bye.